In 2026, artificial intelligence is transforming industries, creating new companies, and changing how value is built around the world. Artificial intelligence is helping businesses improve productivity, automate routine work, and create entirely new products and services. Entrepreneurs, investors, and global industries are competing to shape the next chapter of the digital economy. History shows that the biggest opportunities often belong to businesses solving real-world problems. Some industries are expanding rapidly because they solve problems that millions of businesses face every day. Let's begin our countdown. Our first industry is AI content creation. Businesses are using artificial intelligence to accelerate video production, marketing campaigns, and customer communication. Artificial intelligence is transforming education by supporting personalized learning, professional training, and lifelong skill development for students. Hospitals and medical researchers are using intelligent systems to support diagnosis, improve operations, and advance patient care. AI is helping farmers monitor crops, improve harvests, reduce waste, and manage resources more efficiently than ever before. We've explored the first 4 AI businesses shaping tomorrow's economy, but the biggest opportunities are still ahead. Businesses are using AI to improve quality, reduce waste, and produce goods more efficiently than ever before. As businesses become more connected, cybersecurity has become one of the fastest-growing AI industries. AI robots are moving beyond factories into hospitals, warehouses, agriculture, logistics, and customer service. AI businesses create intelligent software that helps companies automate workflows, improve customer service, and make faster business decisions. Companies invest where technology improves productivity, efficiency, customer experience, and long-term competitiveness. Around the world, investors are searching for businesses with strong ideas, experienced teams, and practical AI solutions capable of serving millions of customers. Nations across the world are investing in AI research, education, and innovation because they recognize AI as a major driver of future economic growth. Successful AI entrepreneurs focus on solving meaningful problems that customers face every single day. The 2 remaining AI businesses are quietly becoming the foundation upon which nearly every other AI industry depends. In the final chapter, we'll reveal the 2 AI businesses that may have the greatest long-term impact on the global economy. Behind every AI application is an invisible foundation of powerful chips, cloud computing, high-speed networks, and massive data centers. As demand for artificial intelligence grows, the need for computing power, cloud services, and reliable networks continues to expand alongside it. Biggest AI opportunity belong to businesses creating practical AI solutions that help millions of small businesses. AI becomes truly powerful when it is simple, reliable, and accessible to businesses of every size. Behind every successful AI company are supporting industries providing cloud services, cybersecurity, consulting, and education. As organizations adopt artificial intelligence, experienced advisors are helping businesses throughout history. Major business opportunities often rewarded those who prepared early, kept learning, and adapted as industries evolved. Tomorrow's AI leaders are being shaped today in universities, research laboratories, startup incubators, and businesses willing to embrace innovation. The businesses that combine innovation with real customer value are helping shape the next chapter of the global economy. How can entrepreneurs prepare for the next decade as artificial intelligence continues transforming business around the world? AI is no longer a vision of the future. It is already transforming how businesses operate, compete, and create value in nearly every industry. Businesses that adapt to AI may gain an advantage, while others risk falling behind. Every successful AI company begins with a simple idea: solve a meaningful problem better than anyone else. The future belongs to people who combine technology with creativity, communication, and problem-solving. Collaboration between innovators, researchers, investors, and entrepreneurs is accelerating the growth of the global AI economy. As AI becomes more powerful, businesses are increasingly focused on developing technology to earn customer trust. The greatest business opportunity is to use AI to solve real problems for people and businesses around the world. The question is not whether AI will continue changing the world, but how individuals and businesses will choose to prepare for that future. History remembers those who recognize change before everyone else. The AI revolution is only beginning. The businesses built today may shape the global economy for decades to come.